So what's up guys, welcome to the new studio. Here if we go, so we have our studio section. ये मैं अच्छे से दिखाऊंगा. And इस तरह पे you can see we have, if the tracking is still working, I can show you. So this is my desk area. अभी इसमें एक screen आना बाकी है. Lot of things are still pending. But yeah, we can say that this is kind of our dream studio. So I'm gonna show you around कि what exactly is available in the studio. So सबसे पहले we can focus on our desk area. So this is an ergonomic height adjustable table. Then we have our tablet, basically Spider-Man and Superman figures. And we have our camera setup here. And we have the main key lighting. And this is where exactly we're gonna shoot all of the reels जो आप Instagram में देख सकते हो, right? I really love this portion especially, and trust me, this was the best part. Like, the reel section was the best part. Trust me, it is my one of the favorite area. I'm gonna show you properly कि how exactly it looks. मतलब if you just come here and if you just sit, so I have a mic here and it is directly connected to the camera. So I have the voice in box, then the cable is getting directly connected to the camera. So it shoots here. I have the background and everything at the back. And when it comes to the working area, so this is where exactly I sit. So this is gonna be my background. If I keep the camera here, so this is gonna be the desk. And here is where exactly I can sit and make a lot of videos. So this is the dream studio. बहुत सारे चीज़ें अभी भी लाना बाकी है. Like I just need a curved OLED screen. I just need to bring my 75-inch TV here, and I just still needs a lot of things to be here. Like PS5 is gonna go down, then I'm gonna have a gaming PC and everything. But yeah, most probably this is how it is gonna be. I still need to add some couple of lights, and still a lot of things are needed to be done, but still this is it. And बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया था bro. Like for example, the ergonomic desk was like 40, and this small decoratives, this was not cheap, trust me. Like this is not cheap. हम किसी उससे लेके आए थे ये decorative place से. So I bought it from some decor house, and it costed like really nice. Okay, and we have our camera. Say hello. And so camera, I'm using Nikon Z6V something, latest one. Yes, it is a mirrorless. Okay, it really looks nice from the side, by the way. Can you see? Beautiful, right? And we have that Digitech tripod. This is around 5,000-6,000. Then we have the chair. This was a beautiful chair. This costed me like around 6,000, I guess, 6,000, 7,000, something like that. Okay. And then मेरे को audio वाला game सबसे महंगा पड़ा. You know, the complete audio game from this mic to cable to this processor to the cable directly to the mic. This alone costed me like around 30,000, 32,000 to be precise. 32. And overall, if you talk about, we just got the paneling done. So I got the gray paneling done here, and we got the complete brown paneling done at the back. I got it done. And मतलब मोटा मोटा अगर पूछा जाए तो like this complete studio, the complete studio costed me around like 9 to 10, being specific. Like it's really expensive. Like all of the materials, the MacBook and everything, still half of the things are on the way. But this is what exactly the dream studio costed me. So I'll see you soon on the next vlog, because we're gonna vlog a lot. ये studio बन के तैयार हो गया था. I was like, let's show you guys the new tour, and I'm gonna see you soon. तब तक के लिए bye bye.